Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Zulfadli Adeli. Student ID 2020-834-416, and today I will present my assignment 1. So today I will present to you the assignment 1, which is about the array list and the linked list. So as you can see, there is main biscuit class, biscuit, array list section, linked list, empty list section, and also the node class. This is the main class. This is the biscuit class, which is have 3 attributes, which is brand, flavor, and also the price. You can see there is default constructor, normal constructor, setter, getter, and also the print method. So this is the array list code. Okay. Slowly you can see there is insert an element at the front, at the back, specific index, array to insert, return data, set data at a specific location, remove data, remove the last element, clear all the element in the array list, the boolean, and also the string print method. So next is the linked list code. We have default linked list class to check whether the linked list is empty, print method to add new object, return the number of the element, to add new object at the back, return the first element, return the next element in the linked list, return the last element in the linked list, remove the first element in the linked list, remove the last element in the linked list. Next we have the array list exception and an empty list exception. Lastly we have the node code, which is default constructor, normal constructor, the update data code, update the reference to the next node, to get the data, to get the next data, and lastly the print method. Let's take a look at the main, which is we have the scanner here to scan the input. So the first input here is enter number of the biscuit by brand. How many biscuit you want to enter into the system. So here is 3, which is 3 will be assigned to the size. We create an array list here, which is a biscuit list with the size of 3. And there is a variable, brand, flavor, price, biscuits. So the first for loop here is for the user to enter the biscuit details into the array list, and it will loop according to the size that we entered before. It will ask about the brand, flavor, and also the price of the biscuits. So next, it will list all of the biscuit. For example, here there is Oreo, music, and Csc508 that the user entered. So it will list again about what are the user entered. For example, here Oreo, music, and also the Csc508 by using the for loop here. So next, the delete code. The system asks what index to be deleted. There is 0, 1, and 2. So I input the 0 index, which is the Oreo biscuits, and Oreo biscuits will be deleted from the list of biscuits. So next is the find or search the biscuit based on the brand name. Input the brand name and it will be assigned to the find string here. So using the for loop to search for the biscuit brand. If the found is true, so the index found will be equal to I, and it will break the if here. So it will be display the biscuit is found at the index. Otherwise, it will be system out the biscuits not found in the system. So for example, here I searching for the biscuit brand, which is the music, and the biscuit brand is found at the index of the 0, which is brand music, peanut, and also the price. Next is updated list of the biscuit, which is list all of the biscuit again that have been deleted and also have in the system right now, which is index 0 is music and index 1 is the Csc508. So about the biscuit summary, we have the total price, average, sum, minimum, and also the maximum. We use the for loop again to calculate the price sum here, biscuit sum, and also from the biscuit sum we can find the price average here. So it will be output the total price, average, and also the sum of all the biscuit, which is total price 7.2, average is 3.6, sum is 2 biscuits only, minimum price is 3.5, 3 ringgit 50 cents, and the maximum price is 3 ringgit 70 cents. And this is how we use to find the minimum price by using the for loop again. We set the minimum biscuit set minimum object, and we assign the minimum price for the get price of the biscuit. So using the for loop to get the minimum, and also using the for loop to get the maximum, which is kind of contra here to find the minimum and maximum. So next about the copy and move from the array list to the linked list. So we declare the linked list, which is the biscuit linked list equal to the new linked list, using the for loop again, which is to get num, casting to get the data, and using the insert back to move the array list to the linked list. Lastly, we display the linked list of the biscuit by using the system out of print list of the linked list, biscuit linked list dot print, which is the print method of the linked list class. So music, peanut 3.7, Csc508 chocolate, extra chocolate, and 3.5. So that's all.